Is it time to replace our AMG GTR? I don't think so, but it might be time to add its newer brother into our collection. Welcome back to another This Saturn Crew video, where today we're going to have a look at the Mercedes AMG GT63 Pro, which is going to be quite cool. Obviously, you guys know we really love our AMG GTR, created so many memories with it. The first car we did Supercar Camping in, and honestly, still one of my favorite dailies ever built. Such a good looking car, sounding car, just everything about the car is literally perfection, in my eyes at least. So the question really came up when the new GT came out, should we buy one? Obviously, the car is quite expensive compared to the older ones, but it is just such a good looking car. And usually what I thought in the beginning was like, okay, GT63S, that's what you need to get, that's a good car. But the 63S actually has the hybrid system, which makes the car, let's actually check out, go up to 816 horsepower, which is a mad amount. But obviously with the hybrid, it's a lot more weight. And compared from the normal 63 to the 63S e-Performance, there's also quite a big price difference of around like 30K. Now, 217K starting for the GT63S 4MATIC, that's literally not anything we want to do. So obviously there's multiple choices on what you can do with the GT63. Either you get the normal GT63 4MATIC Plus, which starts at 188,000 euros. You can get the GT63 SE Performance at 217,000, which I'm not a big fan of because that one has a hybrid system. And okay, the car is over 800 horsepower, but with a few little tweaks, you can get the normal one to over 800, no issue at all. And now Mercedes just recently announced the GT63 Pro, which sounds really cool to me because in the beginning, I really wanted to get the GTR Pro, but a lot of people told us not to because the car would be too firm as a daily. And a lot of people actually confirmed that over time, just like Shmi, he said even the GT Black series is softer. Let's have a look at the GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus. 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, all-wheel drive, which is fine actually because you can do the drift mode and then all the power goes to the rear, so it's okay. 612 horsepower, which is not too bad. Again, for that kind of car, we're definitely going to modify it, pushing like 800 to 1,000 horsepower, no issue at all. So obviously there's a few changes with that car. It's quite expensive. It's 213,000 euros starting price. But if you literally just look at the rims, they're so beautiful. And I thought it's time to literally just spec it with you guys. Have a look at the car. Should we get one? Should we not? And that's what we're going to find out today. So first of all, AMG Night Package 2, definitely taking that, basically dechroming everything. Manufacturer interior, I'm not a big fan of in these kind of cars because the only thing I want is bucket seats Alcantara if possible. What's actually going to be really interesting is what kind of color we're going to take, because obviously that thing is gold now. The question is, should we just go black? Should we go matte black? What should we do? But we'll find out. So there's two packages, Premium, Premium Plus. We're just going to go for Premium Plus, which should just work. Burmester surround sound, most important part about the whole car, not gonna lie. And then you basically have all the features which you want to have. Moving on to colors. So the question is, should we actually get a color this time? Or should we just go black and always wrap it? That's a big one because obviously you have quite cool colors, just like this dark blue or this kind of like teal color, which reminds me of Lewis's E36. Really kind of like it, it's special. What's also super nice is this matte white, quite cool. But then we continue and you can obviously get reds, blacks and everything. I just think the car looks super good in gloss black, like really good. But then the other option for me would obviously, oh my God. I think I was wrong. Oh, crazy. Okay, for the normal 63, you can get Magno Black, which is satin black or matte black. You can't do that with the Pro. So we're definitely going to stick with the black. Or maybe we'll do it white, so it's like yin and yang, I'm not sure. But for now, let's stick with the black. I'm actually really intrigued by the bronze wheels, just like these ones. I think they look super sick because it's not like a showy bronze, it's very light. So I like that a lot. Honestly think that could be a great option if the screen loads. Yeah, that is sick. And I think it's such an underrated car. No one really hears about it, but it's so cool. It's like literally the perfect Super GT daily driver. Tire set, we definitely need that, we learned that. Sport tires, you can get that, sure thing, let's go for it. Winter package, very important. They take 5,000 euros for winter tires, which is quite crazy. But to be honest, it has four-wheel drive. I want to drive in the winter just like I do with this one. Folding mirrors, obviously in there. Glass roof. Gotta take it, I guess, because I don't think there's actually a carbon fiber one. Tinted windows, yes please. Yes please, get rid of the stupid GT63 Pro on the back. No one needs that. No one needs that either. 100 euros for a filler cap, that's just honestly pointless in my eyes. Then we'll move on to the interior. Obviously right now you can see it's all black with yellow stitching, which is literally the same as this car. But one thing which I've always loved with the new AMGs is this one. The crystal white interior. Okay, we actually need to go manufacture for that. But the crystal white interior is just so insanely sexy. Like the white seats, oh my God. And I think this car could actually be the first one for a white interior. I really like it. If we just ceramic coat the seats and everything, it should be okay, I think. But it just looks so good. Especially when it's all murdered out from the outside. You look inside it, it's white. Really do like that. Obviously, you can go the normal route with like normal black and yellow stitching, red stitching, whatever you want. But I think we're actually gonna do white. I think we will. Yeah, let's go for white. Definitely gonna go for white. So we moved on to seats. Seat heating is actually quite important with that kind of car, because at the end of the day, it is a Grand Tourer. You're gonna drive it a lot. So you do want these kind of features. Seats in the rear, not a fan, don't need that at all. No one's ever gonna sit there. So literally I would rather put a cage in there or use it for luggage. Then we got the elements inside the car, so like carbon fiber, aluminium and all that kind of stuff. Definitely gonna go for all carbon fiber as much as possible. So you can see this little thing here in the middle went carbon fiber, which is really cool. I know on the GT Pro and the GT Black series you can have that in carbon. With this car you couldn't. That's the thing I would still like to change on that one. Also like the wing carbon fiber. But I find that really nice. Then we go to different steering wheels, which is obviously an important choice as well. So obviously you can go just like that one with the Alcantara and carbon fiber, which is really cool. But, oh no, okay, that's actually normal leather. Or you can go with the Alcantara. I think we're actually gonna stay with the normal one, simply because like when you drive the car a lot, Alcantara really gets used super quickly, and that's unnecessary. So let's just stick with that one actually. Keep it classy. And then we have some interior options that we don't need. Energizing air control is a waste of money, in my opinion. That all in black, very nice. Seat belts, we're gonna keep standard as well. Oh, actually no, the yellow. Okay, we can't keep the yellow. The stitching is white. So let's make them literally just black. I think that will suit the car a lot better than red, white and all that kind of stuff. Moving on to the multimedia system, which I actually find quite crucial in that car because it is also about luxury. So we got the big multimedia package, I think from the Premium Plus, heads-up display, which is quite nice. Burmester surround sound system. Oh, you can get a bigger one. Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system, which is 5,900 euros instead of 1,500. It's worth it, definitely. Speakers is a thing you should always invest in your car. I think they're like literally the most important thing. So definitely going for the big Burmester, which I really like is I think they turn black. Yeah, they do turn dark. That is really cool. Let's see if there's a subwoofer or something in the roof. No, not like S-Class. Okay. Assistance, driving, yeah, we do need that kind of stuff. Like anything safety, you should always get, in my opinion. Although automatic parking is not that actually that important. Wait, do we need the automated parking for Lewis? Just in case. Could be useful, right? Okay, Lewis, this one is for you, 400 euros, that the car can park itself. I think that's a very good point actually, so you don't run over a splitter or something, or drive into a stone, I don't know. That did not just happen, I didn't film. He reversed into the stone. He broke his, oh! Things just happen, you know? Things just happen. Fire extinguisher, we do not need that. Well, I hope we don't. Suspension, really cool. Lift system. definitely going to take that, because this is honestly a car which I really want to take supercar camping, because you have so much space, so comfortable, all that kind of stuff really just works great. Just need to find a solution that we can finally get a tent on the roof on a car like that, because I'm always the only one who doesn't get a tent, which is not fair, because now Lewis will get one as well. Oh, and that's actually everything. You can't do more than that. Okay, so let's have a look at the car. It's obviously a bit different to the usual spec we do, because usually we would just go black on black on black, and now I actually added quite some colors. Obviously the bronze wheels looking absolutely amazing, huge fan of that. The black color looking really good. I just see the contrast from the satin black to the golden rims will look really good, especially when they're next to each other, because this one has black wheels, that one has bronze, so they kind of like level each other out. Huge fan of the back, and I'm going to be a huge fan of the how the car drives probably. Let's just put it in the dark. Spot on, literally spot on. It just looks so funny because that GT right there just looks like Badenas Reales, where we went with that car. So it's actually quite cool to see. I find that looks so sexy. Check out the interior. Beautiful. White with all the leather and the carbon. Oh yeah, the seats are money. The seats are literally money. Yes. That's good. That's proper good. Good. Very nice. So Lewis is obviously not here right now, and usually he jumps in to give like his opinion, but now Nico has to do it. Nico, can you please come?
Yeah.
Honest, what do you think?
Oh,
I find the wheels are insane.
yeah. Doesn't look like Mercedes wheels.
No, literally not.
Yeah. It looks badass.
It's really good, right?
Oh, the back.
Yeah, I find it really sexy.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, but just wait for interior, okay? Wait.
Oh, damn. Oh.
With the white leather?
Yeah.
Would you do white or black?
White.
White.
Fully white, yeah. It looks better, in my opinion.
Yeah, it looks nice, bright, big.
Yeah.
So you like it?
Luxurious. Of course.
Very good. Well, thank you very much for your opinion, Nico. Thank you so much. Okay, so obviously the car's now done. 239,000 euros. The only good thing about that price is that Mercedes does give big discounts on these cars because no one is buying them. Obviously, you got the Aston Martin Vantage, which is basically the same car. But I think the Pro could really be something special. So we will definitely get an offer in for the car to see how much it actually is, and then make a choice if we should buy one. I think we should, but I want to know your feedback in the comments as well, because obviously at the end of the day, if we make videos with the car, you guys should enjoy them as well. And I think with that car, you can do a lot. We can do suspension, we can do wrap, we can do exhaust, we can do mad kind of power, especially with this car. I always wanted to do the 1000 horsepower, which just does not make any sense because it's only rear wheel drive. But if you have the option, just like in that one with the all-wheel drive, you can actually put the power down. So I think that's going to be super interesting, because that thing with the power it has now is super fast. But if you add like 200 more, 300 more horsepower, that's going to be absolutely insane. What I really like about Mercedes is that obviously you configured your car, just like we did now with the Pro. And when you scroll down, they give you options of cars which you can get right now. So all the cars on the right side you can see here are available at this time, which is quite nice. And then they give you like a match on how close they are to your spec, like 92% and all that kind of stuff, which is quite cool. Would be an option as well, but those are not Pros, and I really want to go for the Pro. I really just like it a lot. So honestly, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Should we get one? Like, serious question. Do you think this would be a great car for supercar camping, which we could also modify a bit so we can withstand a lot of stuff? I just think it's a perfect supercar, kind of like a 911 Turbo S, because you can use it in the snow and actually get somewhere, because with this one you just get stuck. So I think it could be cool. I think if we put an order in now, we should probably be able to get the car beginning next year, which is quite cool. Or should we just get the normal GT63, not the Pro, add power, do all that kind of stuff, maybe change seats? Gonna be a big question. Really want to get one. So let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, press the bell button, and we'll see each other next time. Thank you.